Uh, do you know to perform basic operation in a Linux operating system using only terminal, like creating a directory and creating files and writing, editing in the files and then deleting a directory and files. So in today's video we are going to explore all these things, all the basic operations that can be performed in Linux using our terminal. Okay, now I am in my home directory. Okay, now let me open my terminal. So I open my terminal, and if you don't know, the short key for opening the terminal is control plus alt and plus T. Okay, so this is the shortcut to open the terminal. Now I am clearing my terminal. So if you are following my Linux playlist, where I taught about Linux concept very well, and I taught about every command till file structures, and the videos in the Linux playlist is almost 7 to 8 videos. You can watch those videos. They are very short and crisp videos, and where you will get a great information all about Linux operating system. Now to see where currently my terminal is open, I will write pwd and print working directory. Basically this means print working directory. So this command tells us where our terminal window is opened. So we are in our home directory. So now if I put ls here and hit enter, then ls means list. So basically ls command list all the directories, all the files which are under a directory. So here you can see desktop, downloads, documents, music, pictures, all these. So this is same. Okay, so this is basically our GUI and this is basically our CLI. So same folder is open in our GUI and same folder is open in our CLI. So it is easy. If we want to create a folder using our GUI window, then we can just click on new folder, then type the name and hit enter, and this is our new folder. But we don't want to do this. If we want to delete this folder, then we also can right click here and go to delete option. Where is the delete option? Here is no delete option, but we can delete is using delete key. Okay, so this is the process that how we do making a directory in GUI window. But what if we want to do same thing in our terminal? So for this we have a command. Let me clear this. So we are in our home directory. Here we will type command mkdir. Basically mkdir means make directory, and hit in give a space and then provide the name of the directory. So I am providing the name of directory as new and hit enter. Okay, you can see now the new directory is created. Okay, using our terminal. Now if we want to explore this new directory, then what we will do? We will do cd and name of the directory, which is new, and hit enter. So now we are in our new directory. If we type ls means list all the contents of the new directory, then this will give us nothing because new directory does not contain anything. You can see here this folder is empty. What if we want to create a file inside this this new folder? So we can also create a new directory using mkdir command. But if we want to create a file, like we want to create a text file, then we will use touch command, and then we will provide the name of the file. Like we will provide the name of the file as t and hit enter. So here is a t named text file basically, and this text file contains nothing because we have not entered anything in this text file. Now if we want to edit something in this text file, then what we will do? We will just type ls. Basically ls command print the, now we have a thing in our this new directory. Okay, now if we want to create some content, edit some content in this t file, then we will use a text editor, which is basically a nano text editor or gedit, whatever you want to use. Like I want to use gedit, so I will type gedit and t and hit enter. Now your file t is opened in your external editor, which is the default editor. Like you get notebook, you get document editor in Windows. This is same thing in Linux, which is gedit. But if I want to edit this text file in our terminal, then we will use nano and hit the name of the file and hit enter. And now we are in the nano text editor, which is the default text editor of the Linux operating system. And basically this is a text editor which supports terminal editing. Now if we want to edit something in our text file, then like okay, I am looking hello, I am Priyanshu and good morning, please subscribe. Okay, now for saving this I will type Ctrl S, and this is save. and for exiting this we will type we will hit Control X. This will get out of you the terminal. Now if we want to see the content of T, then we can do is by two ways. We can just directly double click on it, and here you will see whatever we have edited it in the nano text editor, this is reflected in here. But if I want to open this file within the terminal, then I will type a command cat. Cat is basically for concatenation, and this is used to view the files within the terminal. Cat and the name of the file T, and hit enter. Now the content whatever is edited in this is shown on this. Now if we want to delete this file, delete this T file, then what we will type? We will type rm and file name T and hit enter, and now this file is deleted. Okay, now we want to move out of this new directory, then we will type cd double dot and hit enter and type ls. That you can see we are now out of our new directory. Okay, now if you want to delete the directory, then we will type rm d and hit and type name of the directory, that is new. So basically rm means remove, and this option negation d tells us about directory, and new is the name of this directory which we want to remove, and hit enter, and you can see the new directory is directory new is removed from this type folder. Okay, here is a catch. By this rm minus d option, you can only delete empty directories. Like for option, for example, I create a new directory mkdir and full and enter, and we have a new folder named full. Now I am going back to full folder cd and cd full, and now here in full I am going to create another text file. Touch X, enter. Now we have a touch file X. Now I am going back to our home directory. Okay, now I am going back to my home directory. Now here I am typing ls and enter, and you can see we have a directory full which contains at least one file. The name of the file is X. Now we want to delete this file using our previous command rm minus d and full, and hit enter. So this is giving us error, rm cannot remove full directory not empty. So if we want to delete a non-empty directory from our terminal, then we will use rm minus r command and name of the directory. Basically minus r is for recursive, so this will delete all the internal contents of the directory, then it will delete our directory, and hit enter, and now you can see our directory is deleted. So these were all the basic operations that we will use to create a directory, create a file, editing a file in terminal, and navigating the file system, and all of these. So these I create these short tutorials in our Linux related videos. You can watch those videos in my Linux playlist, and if you like this video, please consider me subscribe, because I bring such contents. And if you are interested in joining Google Arcade program or Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program, and if you want to know information about these trending tech topics, then you can also visit my YouTube channel, and I have a great growing community on WhatsApp and Instagram also, so you can check out those communities also, where I put resources, I put information about some great news that come along the technical aspects nowadays. And if you like the video, hit like, and if you consider subscribing my channel, it will be great help, because I put such great content almost every day on my channel. And check out my Linux playlist. This is a great content for a beginner. If you are a beginner in Linux, then that playlist will help you a lot. I have provided notes, I have provided a great resource for you all to learn Linux. I have provided a thorough video for everything, about everything, what is GUI, what is CLI, what is Linux, what is GNU, what is open source licensing, and all of this. So check out my playlist. I put the link of the playlist in my description box, and thanks for watching, and comment if you have any doubt, and consider following me on Instagram and joining my WhatsApp communities. That will be great beneficial for you. Thanks for watching.